that! Look at that!
Good God.
How come you didn't fucking tell us about that? The camera wants to know.
My camera, asshole. I know why I'm doing it.
Listen here. I'm gonna have to sneak around after you get set up. I have never done no sketchy shit like this. So right here would be good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that worked.
Let's face the berm. Where we're just shooting north. Sorry about that.
We're putting some good holes in it, huh?
Yeah, yeah. I was shooting north. Sorry about that. I forgot all about that.
This is close.
You drunk. You almost killed us.
Holy shit.
You almost killed us in your engine fell. Hold on. Hold on. Here, you handle the drum. I'll handle the firearm. I'm gonna discharge. There you go.
Oh, still recording. Well, that's a short flight.